Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we'll look at how to use the logo grid block. The logo grid block displays a grid of image fields that can be used to present logos. I have a section here where I want to display a grid of logos. I'll start by inserting the logo grid block. Next, I'll add a few images to use as logos. Each logo sets aside its own grid item, and I can customize the appearance of these items. For example, I can change the background color, add a border, and adjust the border radius. Now let's look at the grid settings. By default, the grid has 6 columns, but I can change the number of columns depending on how many logos I want to display in each row. I can also adjust the spacing between the grid items. Next, I can control the alignment of the grid items. The Align Grid Items option controls the vertical alignment of the items, while the Justify Grid Items option controls the horizontal alignment. The options include start, center, and space between. I can also adjust the spacing around the entire block. Inside each grid item, I can control how the logo itself is positioned. The Justify Block Content option controls the horizontal alignment of the logo within its block. I can also adjust the height of the logos if needed. And finally, the Align Block Content option controls the vertical alignment of the logo within its individual block. These settings make it easy to quickly create a clean and flexible layout for displaying logos on your page.